Okay. I think we're good. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. I feel like this is a bit extra, but I don't want to breathe that in. So here we are. What the hell?
What?
I think I may have broke this.
What?
I think I broke this.
Uh-oh.
The spring came out of it. Not that that's too much of a loss, because this thing's a piece of shit.
Here's a little
quick update of everything that's been going on. We haven't been recording as much because we've been kind of busy, but...
So Ryan has been working in here like every night. He's got pretty much the plumbing done for the most part. And
so we did change the master bath around, so...
Yeah, we did. So if you can just like visualize it, this is obviously the door you walk into. So the vanity is gonna go here in the corner, and the shower is gonna be over here, and it's really it's really big. So I don't quite know where it's gonna come out to.
I think it comes out to that seam right there to your left.
This? Oh,
no,
here.
That seam.
Yeah, so it'll be the full length here. And then this behind me will be shelving, or maybe like a big cabinet, linen cabinet or something, and then the toilet here in the corner. And I have to figure out what I'm gonna do with these walls. I don't know, I was kind of talking about that with your dad. I don't know like how to fix it or how to make it not look that bad.
Yeah.
Because by the time I rip all this off, I mean, I'm gonna have patches like that.
Yeah.
So I don't know for sure.
So maybe we'll just sheetrock
That's kind of
the whole bathroom.
That's kind of what I was thinking too.
But we've got to move, which Randy has got some of the wiring kind of changed, but we got to move all that, which makes it much easier moving it from there over to here for the vanity. There's our vanity with stuff on it.
It has some super cool drawers. Well, there's one drawer, but multiple compartments. So that's kind of cool.
And we also got our toilets today. We bought a fridge this week.
Yeah. I don't like how big it is right here, so we might do some changing around and considering different options of moving it, but it's just so, like, it's so nice when there's nothing here because it's so open, and then you put this big old brick here and it's almost like it's in the way. And nothing's changed here. We haven't even attempted anything over here yet.
Randy's been switching the light switches and stuff around because they were behind the doors. And I think, yeah, we have an outside plug-in now. And same with that door, we had to move the front door, we had to move the switches around.
Today, we got I'd say basically all of the insulation done. So that's great. We're going back together. But we also, big news, got our front window. This is a brand new window. All the other windows were here previously and we didn't have to replace them. But so the hole was smaller like we showed before and we made it bigger, so our window finally came in. But it came in broken. They're sending a new one and we have to get it put in. But it's not a big deal. Like, we weren't worried about it. I ended up getting the sheetrock ripped out in here. And we got the insulation done so we can put sheetrock up in here. This room is damn near just ready for sheetrock. Like, this is the one room that it's like ready.
Yeah.
Because we didn't have to do hardly anything in here. So we just need to patch some holes and put sheetrock up and we're good.
Tonight is Thursday night and I think we're going to work the entire weekend on the house. Depending on the weather, if it's supposed to rain Saturday and be cold, so we'll probably be inside working, maybe doing sheetrock. And then whenever it's nice, I'm gonna try to go outside and keep doing siding. So hopefully we can keep getting farther.
It's so close to where it's like, it's there. You can see it, the light at the end of the tunnel. Oh, that's how I feel about it, but.
I'm in the inside, we're getting there. I mean, we still have the siding to finish, which will take a while, but not a lot. And then we have, all the shingles are in, so we have to do the roof, which I think will just take a weekend. So the next video will hopefully be all weekend of whatever we're ending up doing.
Yeah, so thank you everybody for watching our videos. We haven't been very good at doing our intros and outros, but it just gets to the point where the camera's just rolling and we work.
so I don't have to walk around and hold the camera the whole time because then I'm not doing anything. So I'm Riley.
I'm Cole.
We're the McDan fam. Thanks for watching.